Yeah, let's go. English only magazine. Here's a pen. Maybe who's going to write a diary from this table? Hmm? These are very sad. So do I. Alright. Very fast. You can try with Sarah. Those are very easy. Maybe you can just pick up a new hobby. Alright. For that, for this chef, hello Philip. Welcome. And I know you guys must want me to do the bed first. Let me do the bed. So beautiful. Okay. A lot of fix. Maybe you can use a hack. Just to use the sticker sheets. That would be much easier. Guys, should I do the bunny? Or the girl, you think? Bunny on the girl on the bed. Oh no. The bunny. Bunny. Hey. Gotcha. Bunny on the bed. I'm so quick with that. Because I'm so talented. I step annual party, the both. Okay, I know it. I can talk the both thing. Like this. How about this way? Yes? Perfect. Your heart can feel love. You can see my friend's comment down below. Yeah, everybody get on the bed. Just throw a huge party. Girls' nighting. Okay. I do those. Okay, perfect. Hey, thank you, Sarah. I know there's a lot of friends keep tapping for me. I already pushed that. It is so funny. The side thing is no room for this little girl. So I just do it on the floor. Okay. Who should take the phone? Okay. You. That's so cute. I guess this set is called Joy Days. You can just have a try. You are confused about whose socks it is. Just been thinking. Thinking. Yeah, three. Those girls are us? Curtain behind a chair, please. Of course. Sure thing. Hey, too much thing. What you're doing, you can just, try the freestyle. You don't need to use all of the stickers. Move the chair on top. But there's outlines for the chair, the shadow for the chair. I feel like I can't. Much better. Gotcha. Perfect now already. And this. Oh, you have to go. Gotcha. See you next time. Alright, guys. The reference page and the work I just finished. So if any of you guys want to have a try those cute stickers, you can see my friend's comment down below.